Pranks are fun, especially on April Fool's Day. Back in the days, Tech Geek used to play classic computer pranks like blocking the mouse sensor with a post-it note or simply flipping the computer screen upside down. Fun. But how about we do it on your smartphone? Well, if you haven't prepared your own pranks for this April Fool Day, I got you covered. So here are some really cool apps to help you become a good prankster. Though before we get started, remember, don't hurt someone just for the sake of a few laughs. You can find many YouTube videos in which young teenagers are playing ridiculous prank. Don't do that. A good prank should be fun for everyone involved. That being said, it's Manal signing off and I will see you in the next one. Okay, just kidding. Let's get started. Borrow your friend's phone for a quick call. Install the broken screen wallpaper app and then give it back. Only after dropping it. Whoops. If cracked screen is little too much, how about this? Remove all the applications from the home screen and then take a screenshot. Now set that screenshot as a wallpaper. Poor chap will keep tapping on the icons, only to do nothing. So your friend brought a new car. Why not take a picture of that and apply one of the following damages like dents, scratches, adjust it a little bit and show it to them. The look on their face when they are racing towards the car. Priceless. Have a friend who believes in ghosts? Well, take a picture or choose one from the gallery and add a flying girl or some other creature to it and then show it to your less superstitious friend. It works better on senior citizens. Saving the best one for the last. While there is no real-time voice changer, JokesPhone is as close as you can get. Simply select a joke, could be anything like missing pizza guy or stealing my Wi-Fi neighbor. The app makes a call and your friends is all confused.
Hi, we are calling from the school. It's about a problem we had at lunch break with your kids.
No, but I don't have a son. Who are you? Which school?
But wait, the best part is you also got to listen to the recording. How cool is that? So these were some of the apps to have fun with friends and family. Remember, it's all about execution and creativity. That said, this is Manal signing off. I will see you in the next one. Like always, thank you for watching. And yes, if you're interested, check out Vamsi's YouTube channel, SmartDNS Proxy. SmartDNS Proxy helps you to bypass geo restrictions on streaming sites like Netflix, Hulu, Pandora, etc. And if you like what you see, why not subscribe to it? Bye for now.